Google Pixel 6. So in this video I will explain each and every single confirmed features of this Google Pixel 6. If you not already watched the Google 6 Pro confirmed features, I have also made a video about that. I will leave the link in the description box below that like button and here in this icon section, so you can watch it from there also. First of all, let's start with the display size. This Google Pixel 6 mobile comes with a 6.4 inches of first of all, let's start with the display size. This Google Pixel 6 mobile comes with a 6.44 inches of Super AMOLED Full HD plus resolution 120Hz refresh display, and it is a display which supports HDR10 plus content, and it is also comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And when we talk about the processor, Google Pixel 6 Pro mobile comes with their own Google processor, but this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is a gaming processor, and it is also a 5G processor. And when we talk about the 5G, this is not a gimmick in this mobile. This Google Pixel 6 mobile comes with almost 9 bands of 5G in India, so don't worry about the 5G bands when you're buying this mobile. So this mobile also comes with a great camera setup from the older generation Google Pixel 5 mobile when we compare to those. This mobile comes with a dual camera setup at the back side. We all know that Google with one camera or two camera, there is nothing matters about it. The camera quality was so nice in the Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, this mobile comes with a 16 megapixels of wide angle camera with OIS, and also a 16 megapixels of secondary ultra wide angle camera, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with this mobile's back cameras. And it also in a unique shape like no other Google mobile before. And this mobile also comes with a punctual selfie camera at the front side. It is a 12 megapixels of wide angle camera. We can shoot up to full HD plus 60 fps with that front camera. And for the battery performance is a big concern in the Google series mobiles, but this from now these Google series 6 mobiles, Google Pixel 6 series mobiles, that is over. This mobile comes with a 4500 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 50 watts of fast charge. Yes, finally the fast charge is here. And it also reverse charge through wire up to 4.5 watt to the other mobiles. And this mobile also comes with the other features like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, and it is also comes with a major thing, that is the Android version 12 stock Android almost. And this Google Pixel 6 mobile also comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers, but this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack. And this mobile also comes with the charger and also cable and also earphones included in the box of this mobile, so that is a plus thing. Apart from all the flagship mobiles are doing right now in these days, they are removing the chargers and everything from the box apart from the mobile. So this Google is giving us everything, so that is a plus point when we talk about that. And this mobile will be available in two colors, just two colors, those are black and white. So that's a okay thing. And this mobile price, when we talk about the price, this mobile price will go around 45,000 to 50,000 rupees almost. So this mobile will be available in two variants, those are 8GB RAM 128 and also 8GB RAM 256. We can only get the 12GB RAM version in the higher end mobile like the Google Pixel 6 Pro. If you want to watch that 6 Pro video, I will leave a link also in the description box here in this icon section below that like button, so watch it from there. So this is all about the Google Pixel 6, and I am also going to make a video on Android version 12 beta version available eligible mobile. So if you want to watch that, hit the subscribe button and also the like button. So that's it for the video.